Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a USB hard disk. We'll go through the straightforward process of transforming an internal hard drive into a portable external storage solution. This is a fantastic way to repurpose old drives or expand your storage capacity affordably. You'll learn about the few key components required, how to select the right enclosure for your specific needs, and the easy steps to put it all together. Let's get started on building your very own custom external drive. To begin, you'll need an internal hard drive, either a 2.5-inch laptop drive or a 3.5-inch desktop drive. Next, select an external enclosure that perfectly fits your chosen drive's size and interface, such as SATA. A standard USB cable, typically USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, will connect your new external drive to your computer. For larger 3.5-inch drives, an external power adapter is often required to provide sufficient power. Selecting the correct enclosure is crucial. For smaller 2.5-inch laptop drives, a compact, bus-powered enclosure is usually sufficient. Larger 3.5-inch desktop drives require a bigger enclosure, often with its own power supply. Look for enclosures with USB 3.0 or even USB 3.1 connectivity for the fastest data transfer rates, which can be up to 5 gigabits per second or 10 gigabits per second, respectively. Always confirm the enclosure supports your drive's interface, like SATA. Assembling your USB hard disk is quite simple. First, open the enclosure, which usually involves sliding a cover or removing a few screws. Gently slide your internal hard drive into the connector inside the enclosure, ensuring it's firmly seated. If your enclosure includes screws or clips, use them to secure the drive. Close the enclosure, connect the USB cable, and then plug it into your computer. For a brand new drive, you'll need to format it before use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.